So guys, a bit boring, but that's the 3D printer printing away the wide angle lens for this Samsung camera. And we've probably got about 30 minutes to go, so catch you in a bit. Just getting there, slowly but surely. Time consuming waiting. Okay, so it push fits really nice, that adapter, onto the camera. You now can't see it because it's push fitted onto the camera. So I'm now winding in the lens. Hopefully it screws in okay. Sorry, the video of this part is going to be awful. And then we can see if this actually works or if I need to adjust it. So clearly I need to adjust this. You can see parts of the lens in the and there's dirt in it. Right, so it's a bit too far away, so the thickness of this is going to have to be reduced a little bit. It also looks a bit off-centered, but I suppose from what it used to be it's not too bad. It's a very, very tight push fit. Feels like my camera's going to fall apart instead. Right. So yeah, if we look down on here, we can see there is a lip down there. So I need to close that up now, which means I'm going to have to do another print. God damn you! Never mind. It happens. I didn't actually calculate that part of it, and I should have done. Clearly. Oh well. Try again. Blurry eyed, just woke up. Oh, there we go. So the results are in. It's a messy workbench, desk, whatever you call it. But the camera lens thingy, 3D print job is now complete. And well, I've already tried it off the camera. The only issue I have is that it doesn't screw in fantastically because there is no actual thread on the 3D printed part. But anyway, here we go. That's how we're looking. So it's not bad. I can't tell if I've got a bit of something on my lens. I think I might have. Ignore the dirty workshop. Oh no, I think you're alright. Let's walk out the workshop and see. There's a cat over there. That's probably the one that keeps doing its business around by me. So, right, full of stuff. Oh yes, that'll make that filming a lot easier. Can't tell if the camera's a bit blurry. Well, everything functions right. So we're on a win. Just have to think of another project there to. Just trying it above the bench, and bench is full of stuff clearly, but yeah, a lot more viewing on there. So that's good. That's cool. That's worked out nice. So yeah, that's that. Go build. Be safe. Do a project. Build something. I don't know. Ciao.